Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt, tōku ingoa. I've been a bit absent for a little while because I've been doing some family things, and also we've moved to a new lifestyle block, and a small one, but we've been getting some animals. And so my video today for you is about our poaka kune. Poaka kune. So pig is poaka, and kune is already a Māori word. And if you're describing the type of pig, you say pig first. The noun always goes first. So it's poaka kune. So let's look at how many. So let's talk about how many. E hia ngā is how many. E hia ngā poaka kune. How many kune pigs are there? E hia ngā poaka kune. Tahi, rua, toru. E toru ngā poaka kune. So when you've got animals or children with animals at daycare or at school, this is some easy ways that you can use sentences in te reo. So today we did e hia ngā poaka kune. Tahi, rua, toru. E toru ngā poaka kune. And then on a different day we'll do some other sentences about them. And maybe we'll do some sentences about the tame hei and the hei and lots of other farm activities. Ka kite.